Hello viewers, I've seen so many of my students they are running behind the calculations, mathematical simplifications, especially while multiplying with numbers. Now today I'm going to explain you a small one-step multiplication of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Okay, then let us move on to that one. Before going to that, hi everyone, this is Santosh Kumar. Welcome to my channel Sims Academy. Now, one step multiplication. This one step multiplication is possible only for same kind of numbers, in the sense 2-digit number with 2-digit number, 3-digit number with 3-digit, similarly 4 with 4, like that and so on. With any number we can any number of digits we can multiply with them. Let us see, before going to that, we know squares. 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, okay, randomly we shall write. 17 square 289, 21 square 441, 25 square 625, and so on. Let us go with 11 first. 11 multiplied with 11. Observe carefully, the very first step is these two. 1 into 1. 1. Next, we need to go with criss, cross and add. 1 into 1, 1, plus 1 into 1, again 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now, coming to these last two. Again, 1 into 1 is 1. We got it as 121. Let us move on to next one. Let us say 25 into 25. First, last two digits. It's 5 into 5, 25 to a side. Now, criss, 5 2's 10. Cross, 2 5's 10. 10 plus 10, 12. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 2, it's 22. Again, 2 is kept aside. Now, coming to these two digits. This is 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Nice, kada? Next, let us move on to 17 square. 17 into 17. First, last two digits. 7 7s, 49, 4 aside. Now let us move on to criss, cross. 7 1 7 plus 1 7 7. 7 plus 7, it is 14. 14 plus 4, it is 18. 2 aside. Okay, 1 aside. Now coming to last. 1 into 1, 1. 1 plus 1, it is 289. You can go with any number. 99 square. 99 into 99. 99 into 99. 9 9 first. 81. 8. 9 9s. 81 criss. Plus 9 9s. 81. 80, 80, 160, 1 plus 1, 2, 162 plus 8, it is 170, 17 aside. Now 9 9s, 81, 81 plus 10, 91, 91 plus 7, that is 98. Let us take another 2-digit numbers, or not squares. Let us go with other numbers. Randomly we can take 67 into 45. First these two. 7 into 5, 35, 3 aside. Now criss cross. 6 5s, 30, 4 7s, 28. 30 plus 28, it is 58 plus 3, 61. Now last 6 4s, 24, 24 plus 6, it is 30. Let us calculate in this method. 7 5 35, 6 5 30 plus 3, 33. Again 7 4s, 28. 6 4s, 20, 24 plus 2, 26. 5 8 3 11, 6 4 10. This is 3015. You can observe here. That means this is a one-step multiplication in case of 2 digits, but we get perfection only when we practice any number of numbers. అంటే ర్యాండమ్గా తీసుకొని ఎన్ని నెంబర్స్ తోటి మనం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే అంత ఈజీగా ఈ వన్ స్టెప్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ అనేది మనకు వస్తుంది. ఇఫ్ వీ డు నాట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ we never get math first of all. Okay, let us move on to the next one. Randomly we can take 76 into 67. Okay, reverse, ulta. Let us go with one step first. 7 6 42. This is criss cross 4 aside. Let us say 7 into 7 49 plus 6 into 6 36. Okay, 36 plus 4 40. 40 plus 49, that is 89. 8 aside. 7 6 42 plus 8, 50. Let us see whether we have got correct answer or not. 76 into 67. 7 6 are 42. 7 7 49 plus 4 53. 6 6 36. 7 6 are 42 plus 3 45. 2 9 5 5 10 5 0 9 2. This is called as one step multiplication. I hope it is very nice for you guys. Okay, I got it out. How come we do it the same for 3-digit numbers? 3-digit numbers. I'm sorry, I wore gloves here. 3-digit numbers. How should we do it with 3-digit number? Okay, let us go on even with 3-digit numbers also. It might be somewhat seems to be complicated, but if we understand once, ఒక్కసారి కానీ అర్థమైంది అంటే చాలా సింపుల్గా అయిపోతుంది. Once we understand that perfectly, but చాలా ప్రాక్టీస్ అనేది మాత్రం అవసరం మనకి. సరే చూద్దాం. Let us move on with the easier one first. First, these two. 1 into 1, 1. Next, crisscross. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Next, we have to go with 3 numbers. That means first and last, middle one. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1. Observe carefully. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, we got 3. After finishing up with these 3, again we should move on to 2, last 2. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1, 1 plus 1, it is 2. Next, should move on to the last one. 1 into 1, anyone 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Very simple. Let us take another example. 1, 2, 3 into 3, 2, 1. 3 ones, 3 crisscross, 2 ones 2 plus 3 2 6, 6 plus 2 it is 8. Again this first to last, middle, 1 ones 1, 3 threes 9, 2 twos 4, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 40. Now coming to last 2 ones 2, 3 twos 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9. Now coming to these two, 3 plus 3 into 1 3, 3 9 4 8 3. Okay, let us try it with general multiplication. 3 2 1, 1 3 are 3, 1 2 are 2, 1 1 are 1, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6, 3 1 are 3, 3 8 14 9 3 9 4 8 3. That means we can do 3-digit number multiplied with 3-digit number in a single step. Super. Let us try with other numbers. Some people feel it as complicated. Unless you practice, everything seems to be complicated. Am I right? Yeah. Okay. Let us go on with 237, 732. Randomly I am taking first 7 into 2, 14, 1, crisscross, 3, 2 just 6, 7, 3 just 21, 21 plus 6, 20, 7 plus 1, 28, 2. Now with 3 numbers, this first to last, middle, 2 twos 4, 7 sevens 49, 3 threes 9. 4 plus 49 it is 53. 53 plus 9 it is 62. 62 plus 2 64. Now coming to these 2 digits. 3 2 6. 7 3 is 21. 21 plus 6 it is 27. 27 plus 6, if I am not wrong, 33, 3. Now last 2, 7 2 is 14, 14 plus 3 it is 17. Okay, let us multiply in our regular process. 2 sevens 14, 2 3 6 plus 1 7, 2 2 is 4, 3 sevens 21. 3 3 is 9 plus 2, 11. 3 2 6 plus 1, 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 3 is 21 plus 4, it is 25. 7 2 are 14 plus 2, 16. 4, 8, 14. 7 plus 6, 13. 7, 1, 7, 3, 4, 8, 4. Okay, now today we have learned how to calculate the multiplication of 2-digit with 2-digit, 3-digit numbers with 3-digit numbers in one step. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel, like and share for the needy people, especially those who are lagging behind with mathematics. Not even mathematics, physics, whatever the two subjects I teach, they are very important and useful for the students, especially who are below and average. Okay, thank you for watching this. Signing off.